Class 12 PA Objectives Unit 4 District Administration. Number 1. District hi French Trong. District tas atangati lak chonania. Territory or region mizo tong achun omzi achun ramchunga mun pakhat ramchunga mun chung hom chung pakhat soinani. Number 2. India hian district hi Mughal Empire atanga manlai Vailal ho atanga lo mantran toni. Number 3. Mughal Emperor Khan district ka intin nge kauthin Sarkar tina soini. Number 4. English East India Company Khan district administration ka India 1772 an Siamin an Beitranani. Number 5. District administration ka British ho hun lai British ho in miron apply ka chuan chia khon kha an hna ber ani. Number 6. District chunga hian e tu tenge civil officer santi te hi ramchunga administration in real bolna khoitan thlan tin thwin ani. Number 7. Army personnel kan ti meite hemi army sipai a mihring thok te hi superintendent or head of district district asang berle superintendent anti mei atan thlan tin thrin ania chungchu khoi hmuna nge kan ti chon tribal areas ani. Number 8. District administration hian ahnoi ber ramchunga government structure chunga aniam ber a comprise sin chu ta chuna omani tina soini. Number 9. District East India Company in 1772 han India Roma district anon siam tranani. Number 10. Deputy Commissioner hi first class ani district magistrate hemi district collector ani na nga borsap ani na first class ani. Number 11. Development projects kanti masona zong le state masona zong kha district ani chuan program ani mo deputy commissioner omang. Deputy commissioner hi officer poimo tak ani chumi development program atang chuan. Number 13. Deputy commissioner hian district chunga chia khontu ani naing chia khontrin ani. Number 14. Deputy commissioner hi district election officer district chunga intlana officer emo returning officer na intlan chungchang lo boipui zung tu ani thrin ani chu parliament India dan siam na atana thutkhom na le assembly elections te state legislative assembly dan siam na state dan thutkhom na treasury kan nei kan ti fokha. Number 15. Deputy commissioner hi ex officio secretary ani chu khoya local self government ex officio secretary ani. Number 16. Deputy commissioner hian arms act ral thuam man na hi district chunga atul chuan le RM Chandanin apetrinani. Land Acquisition Act anti 1899 ramchung chir chin chiang chumi mangchun deputy commissioner hian ramchung chungchang te ram border chungchang te khami chungchang kha atiferina ching filtrin ni mimal le pol ram chungchang in nek mate. Number 18. Deputy commissioner khan district chunga kumtluanin annual financial report omna district chunga felfai tak report pekna naw piengzat ram le ram chungchang khang kha le masona kalzel tele chi khondan te khang thleng khana khoi thrini. Number 19. Deputy commissioner hi poimo ber to registrar of births and deaths mithi chungchang te naw pieng chungchang te lo chin chia ji ka chir da tu ni. Number 20. Deputy commissioner hi district forum district chunga masona soirening president angin om thrini. Number 21. Government of Mizoram in total no project MIP kha sangni pania launch ani siam tran ania man the siam ani. Number 22. NLUP kha ibok zoom control angin 90 sa akal toni NLUP kha ron kal masak ber chu a model ibok zoom cultivation angin ron kal ni. Number 23. NLUP kha unrevised le chu engtik tumange 2009 Congress and Sarkar line ani. 24. Constituent Assembly hian India dan puisiam na ta na Paul Thukhoman oma poimo tak biar Ambedkar tet Advisory Committee on the Fundamental Rights of Minorities in Tribal X asiamani Paul Indin ho chumi Paul chuan tribal area chunga tribal te mason na le anchak lo na adom kang na turin chu engti kuma nge siam May ni somparuk 1946 25 Northeast Frontier Tribal le excluded areas anti mai kha twinge chert Gopinath Bordoloi ani khang hunlaya Assam Chief Minister ani number 26 6 schedule ganti me India dan puchunga 6 schedule poimo tak tu injek poimo tak paruk na hi India dan puchunga article tu injek zani somli pali 244 omani 6 schedule a chuan eng angtenge omang Autonomous District Council anma ani district in real bol nei Assam Tripura Meghalaya Mizoram te ani number 28 2008 atanga chir khachuan Autonomous District Council hi 6 schedule of the Constitution no enzel chuan soman omani ani chuan 2009 a khan sorry number 29 kan enanga engzat nge Mizoram chu Autonomous District Council Autonomous District Council pathumom Lai Mara Chakma Autonomous District Council ani number 30 District Council a khachuan somni paruki thlan thlin an nia mi puite an thlanga pali te hi governor na ro thirani number 31 Bodoland Territorial Council kanti me ahian maximum member chu 46 ania somli te chu mi puin an thlangtlinga paruk ve thungero khachu governor na ro tangti nani number 32 District Council a nominate an thlanthlin te an nominate te hi an ro te hi na minority kanti mai namnoi nu zok te le namchak lo zok te le meichia te heng te hi unrepresented heng ai o te hian dingani number 33 District Council hian engzat chungin nge a member te hi an thuthin kumnga chungani 34 mi District Council hi kum khata voi ni tal anin muturani tin soini number 36 District Council a member te hi disqualified hen ni engang chin nge chu Legislative Assembly State Legislative Assembly India dan siama in mu khomna state ani mo dan siama thut khomna parliament ani ne mo chuan number 37 District Council ni tur hen ni ngai India khole tu ni ngaya kumsom ni panga tal ni ngaya schedule tribal ke pha lai ni ngaya chuan India ram chung le emi tribal area chunga sailen nge ni ngai ni chutiang bok chuan district election chunga vote thei ani ngaya voters ID ani ngai bok ani puitling asoina ni 38 fifth schedule of the constitution ve chunga hi chuan India rama Autonomous District Council tele tribal te hawa soya khang Assam Meghalaya Tripura le Mizoram lo zong ami te kha Northeast ami te anni number 39 August Sangni Parade Khan 7 scheduled tribe areas in 9 states omani omje chu tribal le hemi schedule khas kanti te ramhi state pakwa somsari pasari lai omani Mizoram po omve kha 40 fifth schedule of the constitution no chuan tribe advisory council siamani nga member somni an tamtu nilo 41 governor of a state ramchunga governor kan governor chu PS Sridharan Pillai ani ha khan tribe advisory council kha Azad Tur a member Azad Tur te aruatin tichuan a chairman te po aman athunei tu te po aruat feltri ani 42 President of India hian kan India Ram President Ramnath Kovind hian India Ram chu mun tam tak adu library scheduled areas angin apung thea tribal ni na po hi ama kuta oma tribal thar apethea tribal ni na po ti top ni number 43 legislations of union and states are not extendable to the Autonomous District Council. Autonomous District Council chunga mi te hi achunga member te hian an pompuina ni lo chuan central state in an legislation an thut khom na dan siam na thut khom na tan an siam kha pom ve ni lo an manin independent in Autonomous District Council te hi chu an kalani tina soini number 44 Governor Khan legislation dan siam na central state ami te kha unscheduled areas chungchang te kha khangte le man dan tur kha award fel thinani 45 local self government hi ramchung in rail bol na aniam ber sim thatuni number 46 local self government hi power in lanson na thatak decentralized administration ani chunga tanga nuwe tanga in lanson na rural local self government kanti veng chunga mason na ta na VCLC kan siam te hi enga article ange India danpui article a 243 to 243 bracket chunga o small letter o mani 48 India Ram constitution hian village panchayat emo gram panchayat emo village level a omanga panchayat samiti block level a omanga zilla parishad for district level a omang kantini kha municipal corporation a tuna local self government kan nei ang maya in real bol na hi ni chu ram rethe India Ram chunga state rethe zokte an mang thirani chuan number 50 gram panchayat gram sabha kanti hi chu local self gov panchayat samiti a khami a member te thang tu kha ani gram panchayat le gram sabha te chu 51 gram sabha le gram panchayat a member te hi kumsom pariat tal ani ngai ni number 52 poimo history and soil country tangai kautilya khan arthashastra azeka amale kabulir lar berani nge ni 53 ramchunga urban local body in rail bolna tana pol din oma vengchung munkil khora pol din oma chu madrasa kumsang kajakho somut pasari madrasa 1967 khan King James 2 in allow CM chok toni 54 urban local self government khopui jok in rail bolna sa ram vengchunga in rail bolna CM hi article 243p to article 243g India constitution 74 constitutional amendment ta omani and it's number 55 municipal corporation ni turhian nuinga item population mihring omzat an ningai ni ya Mizoram pon municipal corporation nuinga item kan ni na chanchu municipal corporation kan ni ti chuan nuinga item kan ni chuwang chuan council neighboring corporation kan ni ti chuan AMC in thlante po tunmai kan nei le don ni 56 municipal council ve thungi chu noi ni ai claim noi ni ai tamsi municipal council che noi ni ai tamsi le noi nga ai claim si khami inkar mi pui omzat kha municipal council anti trinani number 57 state election commission ni constitutional body ani state election commission ramchunga in thlan ani don renga in thlan na pol state election commission in thlan na hoi hotu te hi India dan pui chung omani statutory parliamenta le dan siam na pass job le sim chupani lo tina soyani number 58 state election commission chuan in thlan na chung chang renga local self government ani mo ramchung in thlan na an kal dan tur anin vote dan tur a vote na mun khang zong kha a khai hruin returning officer te nodal officer te ada thrin ani state election commission hian khopui le khote in thlan 59 a number 59 a abot saitina soini number 60 India dan pui chu to inziak article zani somli pathumna 243k a chuan India constitution chu a hian state election commission among ti ni kha exam naron kaldu mani 61 state election commission ni thu nei reng rangi adik lawa kan anthri ni chun dan mangin supreme court le high court a complaint ve the ani number 62 state government hian engtik lai on state election commission hi asiam turani tin asayani number 63 state chunga body poll nei lo article 73 and 74 amendment act a omreng reng chuan finance commission asiam ang tin asoini number 64 finance commission hi ramchunga local body in rural natana siam heng ho te hi le ramchunga sumvel achiar na chu tang tin soini state finance commission hi hian angai dan le athat dan te le mason na turte malak dan turte governor ne na athuron te apea ngai dan te le report te kim changna petrini tin soini